whatever. So, welcome you to the safer side of the internet. Welcome you to my channel. I know it's been a while. It's been almost, I don't even remember. I didn't check the statistic when was the last time I uploaded my last video. I think it's been a while. It's been more than 6 months, I think. This is a live update of what's been happening or what's happened in last 6 months. So I would like to start with December because December was one of the major month. Went through a breakup, a relationship which I thought I'll be this a relationship which I thought was the end game. So that happened. It just broke me. And cut to January. I'm so okay while talking off camera, and as soon as the camera is on, I don't know what happens to me, and I just blabber a lot or I just stammer a lot or whatever. So yeah, in December went through a breakup. Although I got my closure now, but that was a one hell of a month, and like for for quite a month which followed. Then January came in and I traveled for my first work trip from Bangalore to Chennai. It was beautiful. I did a maternity shoot for my client. It was very beautiful. It was a very new experience for me. I was handling all the logistic. I was handling the photo shoot and post production all by myself. It was a very beautiful experience. Although the whole breakup chaos was in my head, I wanted to bail on the gig, but glad that I didn't bail on the gig. I went to Chennai. It was one of the happiest photo shoot which I did. It was very beautiful. And then in Feb, I got my first work from office job because before I was working as a freelance or even when in the full time role I was working from home, so I never had the experience to work from a office. I was very happy when I landed this job. Although it took around 1.5 hours from my place to reach to the office, beginning was beautiful because of course I was romanticizing my whole 9 to 5. Then let's come to March. I would keep it short because I just want to mention about all the highlights of all the months which passed. So March began on a very beautiful note. I went to watch Bharat Chauhan live. He's not just one of my favorite artists, he's my favorite artist. And people who know me knows how big of a Bharat Chauhan paglu I am. So I got a chance to watch him live and it was so surreal. The experience was crazy. I'll try to put some pictures over here or over here or whatever, somewhere here or somewhere here or somewhere here. I don't know. So I got a chance to watch him. He sounds even better live than what you listen on Spotify. Please go check. Please go to listen to his music. He's wonderful. He's just very beautiful. He's a very beautiful person also. And see, if I start talking about him, there is no end for me. For him, whatever. To me, for him, whatever. So then March happened. Work was good. Work was steady. I was 1 month in my job. I liked it. Then came April. I had my first work breakdown because it was very hectic and I don't know, I don't have better words to put it. It was just hectic. I was not enjoying it, and I realized that I was not enjoying it. It was just getting too much of a chaos, and the communication was also very off among the team or among the higher management, whatever you call it. So, but I don't know, something happened, something clicked in my head, and I just felt like going to Himachal. Always wanted to go to Himachal. In 2018, for the first time I went to Himachal, and I don't know, from then of 2018 के बाद कभी हिमाचल जाने का मौका नहीं मिला. I always planned of going solo to Himachal, but I never got a chance. But this time I booked my week. I applied for the chuttis and I got the chuttis. I booked my flight. It was my first solo trip to Himachal, first solo trip in North to be specific. So I was very excited. I was very happy. I booked my tickets from Bangalore to Delhi, and then from Delhi, I had my bus to Kasol. And from Kasol, I went to Kalga, and oh my god, what a beautiful place! What a beautiful village! What a See, I think I need to make a separate video on Kalga because of, I don't know, it's so beautiful. I will not be able to cover it in just um, a minute or two. So yeah, I went to Kalga. I stayed there. I did my first 11,000 feet. I trekked like a pro. So it was very beautiful. I loved it. I loved every bit of it. The trek broke me quite literally. My body. There was a point while trekking up, my legs just gave up. They just stopped working. They just like they were like, no, no, not another step. But I had the best of best trek lead. Shout out to Rahul Bhai. He is an amazing trek lead. So he helped me a lot. We used to take very frequent breaks. Of course, because of me, but yeah, it was very beautiful. When I reached, it was already like sun was already down. It was around 6:30 or something like that. The air which I inhaled, one thing which got cleared in my head was, I am made for mountains. I love mountains. I'll be trekking all the pass, and I'll do all the summits in this life. जितना भी possible हो सकेगा मैं करूँगा, because oh god, how can you miss on those mountains? I'll make a separate video. So yeah, I'll make a separate video on my solo trip to Himachal. That will be there. I'll talk about my experiences and what I saw. So that happened in April. On 29th, I left from here, and on 5th of May, I came back. After coming back, I joined my job as usual, and I knew that I'm not going to pursue this. It was just, I realized that I'm not made for desk job. I'm just not the person for 9 to 5. I've seen people romanticizing 9 to 5. I tried and I failed miserably. मुझसे नहीं होता है. I don't want to lie. I hate it. I don't know. It might be different in a different environment, but place where I was working, it was just a dead end job. So you know what happened next? In May, I quit my job. Yes, होना ही था. Sooner or later it was going to happen. So it just happened. I just put down my papers. I didn't really put down my papers. It was just I quit, or like tata bye bye kind of situation. I quit my job in May, and now we are in June. I am clueless as fuck. I don't know. I don't know where I'm going to be next month. I don't know what I'm going to do. I do have certain plans scattered here and there. I just want to match them, and let's see where life takes me. And although I'm clueless, but I'm, for some reason, I'm very hopeful this time. Apart from that, current update is like my face has just weird breakout everywhere. I feel very ugly. My मानसिक संतुलन is just all over the place, but कर लूँगा, हो जाएगा, ये भी सह लेंगे. And yeah, and this is my pretty mic setup. uh, this this pink dinosaur reminds me of someone. It's very cute, right? On this note, I want to end this video, and I really want to stay consistent. I'm doing what I'm best at, communicating. Editing is also tik tak, but I really want to do this. I feel the happiest when I sit in front of the camera and just talk. So you will most probably see me quite often. Most probably we'll meet every week. Until next time, bye bye.